In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color folders in OneDrive and File Explorer. This simple trick can enhance your organization and make your digital workspace more visually appealing, helping you to differentiate folders at a glance. Let's dive right in. First, it's important to note that this feature is currently available only for OneDrive Business and SharePoint users, not for those using personal OneDrive accounts. That might be a bit of a letdown if you're using a personal account, but don't worry, there are still ways to manage your files effectively. You can follow along with some of the steps I'll be mentioning for your file management needs. Alright, let's move to the practical part of our tutorial. Start by opening File Explorer on your computer. This is where you can manage your documents, music, pictures, and other types of files and folders. Once File Explorer is open, navigate to your OneDrive folder. You'll find this in the left sidebar if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. It should be listed with a cloud icon next to it representing your synced cloud storage. Inside your OneDrive folder, select the folder you wish to color. Simply right-click on it to open the context menu. In the context menu, find and click on the OneDrive option. Now something new will appear, a folder color option. This is where the magic happens. Click on folder color and you'll be presented with a selection of colors. Choose the color that you want to assign to this folder. This visual tweak will instantly help you stand out from the sea of yellow folders, allowing you to tailor your workspace aesthetically or thematically. However, as convenient as this might be, remember that this colorful customization is not available directly on your OneDrive Live account. It also means that changes made via File Explorer do not reflect when accessing through a web browser. This limitation can be a bit inconvenient, especially if you frequently switch between platforms to access your files. Nonetheless, for users relying heavily on the desktop, this feature enhances file navigation significantly. To wrap it up, while personal OneDrive accounts miss out on this particular feature, business and SharePoint users can take advantage of it to organize their digital workspace more visually. The ability to color code folders can dramatically streamline finding files and improve overall productivity. I would encourage those who can access it to experiment with different colors to denote categories or priority levels, giving your workflow a colorful upgrade. That concludes our tutorial on how to color folders in OneDrive and File Explorer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and